Your Excellency, Governor Kisii Arati, Governor of Kisii County, Your Excellency, Deputy Governor Elijah Ogibo, all the leaders from the national as well as the county government, Your Excellency, thank you for giving me this minute. Salimia watu wetu. Nisema maneno mawili mafupi. Ya kwanza ni kumwambia ndugu yetu Deputy Governor Elijah Ogibo, kumwambia hongera sana kwa ile kazi umepewa siku ya leo and the opportunity to serve the people of Kisii County. Your Excellency the Governor, let me say I am particularly happy, and that is why I woke up at 3:30 in the morning today to make sure that I am here, because I'm a happy resident and voter of Kisii County. I have known you for many years, and I have always associated you with good governance and integrity. And this my brother Elijah I've known him for even longer. Again, I associate him all the years that he has worked in the public sector. I associate him as a person who believes in good governance, a person who believes in integrity in public affairs. So, when we have that combination, I believe that our county of Kisii is going to be the beacon to demonstrate good governance in public affairs, and that is why I am personally very excited today. So I wish you well. Governor, because but I believe what I am saying now is on behalf of us. We want you to know that to the extent that you are leading the county in a manner that upholds integrity in public affairs, good governance, and shuns the vices of corruption and bad governance, I believe that every resident and voter of Kisii County of goodwill is behind you. So I wish you well. I wish the Deputy Governor well. Now I'm going to Motabwatetie Governor, Nariani Aroto Koregas. Your Excellency, yes, I was saying, thank you very much.
Ni Ogibo, karibu kwa kazi, nisaidie kwa kazi, tunyare cross msiye. Mkulungu waka nitoro mishahara, no mishahara we, gatisa ni kenoro, toro na kito kwa nyaba zaidi. Akiwa mwili gorobo, mkonye, epa ikiliko yoranta kete, niwate pressure kete, wana mkonye tutache, toro wase pressure lito koi. Assurance nda kenya abantu beto ngaki ntori goseka na boyi ntori goseka na kende yon abantu bagutunyegeta abantu batranza gutunyanya ho tiresa to koire so pe ko bya available our offices no chegei ndubunzo da okora bonto ndubunzo gasi ntori kolika nto basa koyi kiresa kwa abantu abatakana inde kokona abantu Itaitenga kirembiamono de familia Itaitenga kire de familia yo mheshimiwa Robert Mondambiamono Sogocha koba Kerori no mheshimiwa Ogibo obere deputy governor Ndiamono ese family my spiritual leaders, Ndaitemba Kireli Yamora pastors, Omogaka, Elda Batudra, Ndiamoro Sogocha, n'abagaka bandi n'abageni bonde bonse tetentigere you will be required to sign the ESCC Code of Conduct. Niliambiwa hivyo, kwa hivyo jaji atatena will take you through usign. Abantu bamwe twagenda ku sign mogo gete kile kitu kama kama sara ayo ikiagara kama yetu na kutoka kujiona mbona tari kuyande baile akita yale mokure igoro bakarse mwa 500 mwa milioni mogo koroko Nairobi mbona tari kuyande gena